Eren Yeager from Attack on Titan. This is like an alternate sort of version. It's like different style. He's like wearing a suit or something. So people are like, "What's alt mean?" I just put it alt for short in the title. It's just like it's not like the anime or the manga. It's like just a little bit off, you know. That's the best way I can explain it. So I'm on a landscape page. Use a pencil eraser. Hit pause if I go too fast. When I start with his eye. Profile, looking back over the shoulder. I do like these poses. This pose, like it makes a character look really cool for some reason. Don't know why. Center point of my page about there. We're going across. Head is over on the left hand side. Go diagonal, and then we'll bring this across the top, relatively flat, but it spikes out the end. It's all like spikes up, and then this will go down. Of course, we'll thicken up the top eyelid as well. And then it just comes around this way, back up towards the tear duct. Okay. So you gotta like thicken up the top eyelid, right? So you gotta go just adding more weight to the line. It's a heavy line weight. The top eyelid in anime, usually. And then like, it's good to add like little extra sort of bits. And like some in the corner here as well. Okay, so that kind of an eye. So iris. So it's like, well, we can make it. Just thinking here now. Way to, yeah, we'll go pretty close. So we'll go down, half circle. And around like so, and then the pupil just here in the middle. Okay, like he's looking at us. And then we'll go like an extra sort of stress line around the eye, and we'll add those Titan lines around his eye as well for fun. Right. So let's say above this, right, we have like another eyelid line here. And then his eyebrow quite big, right? So big, thick, hairy eyebrow. Back this way. And we're gonna, because it's alternate, right? We're just gonna go give it like some, kind of like Rengoku from Demon Slayer. These spikes just here. And then we'll go back down to there. It's like a heavy frown sort of thing like that. So then we've got these red lines that come around the eye, and they kind of like travel down the face, right? So we go like, it's kind of these little spikes, tadpole looking things. Right, so if you wanted to go around, so we go like one there, here, just around the eye, right up to the corner, I think. And then these just like spiral sort of out. Around the eye, and they kind of get a little bit smaller up the top there. And you could do sort of extra sort of lines just coming down from it, maybe. Like as if he's just disconnected from the Titan. 1, 2, 3, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, yeah. I think 6 is what we got. Okay, so just across from the eye, right, we have the nose, right? So it's like this letter L sort of thing. So it curves down and then around like that. So it's like a letter L or an upside down 7. Okay, and then at the top we got the brow. Sometimes I start with the nose. I didn't this time. I think I was just excited to draw these things. Wanted to draw them first. Then we got a nostril just there. And then top lip comes down like that. And we got like a letter M shape for the lips. See, it's like an M or a bird sort of flying in the sky, you know, like when you draw those simple sort of birds flying, just their wings. And then his chin comes down a longer line. It's kind of curves this way. Okay. And then we see his mouth line just downturned, sort of serious coming from here. Now, so jaw then, up that way. And then we change direction, go up towards the ear. Forehead. Sort of bumps around the frown. And we'll go up to like there. So his ear, so this is like his earlobe here on the top of the ear, just you leave a little gap. You just curve it around. The top of the ear normally lines up with the sort of the eyebrow this way. And the bottom of the ear lines up with like the bottom of your nose on this diagonal. So then the ear comes down this way. And then ear lines inside, so easiest way is this sort of letter J kind of thing. And then you can add more if you feel like it. He has earrings on in this one. So we'll add it. It's like gold sort of studded. It's kind of like the fusion earring in Dragon Ball, but it's just a gold disc here. It has like these pattern things. Like so. That's optional, of course. And then, so his sideburn, right? So it's a real big sideburn here. So it's right down at the bottom of his earlobe. And then it starts to like go up this way and it gets kind of spiky and stuff. And it goes around the back of the ear. So, like a couple of texture lines and stuff on this hair here. So his hairline, it keeps going. These sort of zigzags, goes in towards the eyebrow and then goes back. Sorry about the noise in the background. And then we keep going. Okay, maybe like a line just for his temple there on the side. Maybe a little bit of a cheekbone. Okay, so that long hair of his is tied through the back of his head, right? So we got like some like fringe lines that come out from here, it looks like. So we'll go out like that first, right? And then we go sort of back in. right? Maybe like another one just here. Okay, keep going. So other little bumping hair spikes here. So it's all sort of tied up. I'm going to start to go like back this direction of the hair, back this way, right? Like little bits of hair that kind of stick up off his head. There at the front, right? And then we keep going. Bumping sort of back across his head. These have all texture lines and maybe like a little gap in this one, maybe. Do 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 do. Right, and this like continues to sort of like bump down around his head, basically. And then there are some that like stick out then. Here, and it's tied up at the back of his head as well. But it goes down sort of long back this way first. Right, so like a little one sort of sticking out here. What is that? So that's another one. There, and then down. Okay, so it's kind of like it's got a mullet style sort of thing. And some go over other ones. And then there's some underneath. Just keep adding these spikes now. Remember, hair moves, doesn't have to be exactly like mine. Once you get the overall sort of shape of it, you should be all right. So then all these directional sort of lines then. Textures and things on all the hair. Like so, right? And then the bun, tied up hair at the back, right? So kind of like bumps a couple of times here first. There's like hair actually sticking over this. And then all this. It's kind of messy. Lots of different ones that kind of stick up on their own here. Boom. Right, you can add, of course, more texture and stuff as much as you want to add to all that. But I think I'll leave it like that. Right, so he's got a suit jacket on. So different. You could add the hoodie course, if you wanted, but we're going to do an alternate version. We're going to make him look like a suit wearing guy. So the white collar and the black collar. So it comes, it's kind of like one line at first. So it comes up and then underneath the hair back this way. It's all like white here, and it comes down underneath there. And then the black, say we'll go this way. And then it kind of like bumps down here. You got like extra fold lines and stuff all here. And then his shoulder just comes down this way, and you got like a suit jacket shoulder. And then his back and other arm sort of goes down that way, and you got back line and spine sort of there. Green eyes and like fire and things if you want, of course, always is beneficial. For characters such as Eren Yeager. Like so. So I think that's everything. Alternate Eren Yeager. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye. Wait. Yeah, so that's hair. That's hair. Sorry, I'm like noticing things now. Hair in there. Hair comes down. Neck. Yes. Okay. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.